Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how you can make your Trello board public. Let's get started right away. If you use Trello to manage projects or work with a team, there may be times when you want to share your board with more people. Making a Trello board public is an easy way to do this. When a board is public, anyone with the link can view it, even if they don't have a Trello account. First, log into Trello and go to your Boards section. Select the workspace where your board is located and open the board you want to make public. At the top of the board, you'll see a button that says Private. Click on it and a menu with visibility options will appear. From there, choose Public. Trello will show a warning that public boards can be viewed by anyone who has the link, so make sure you're okay with that. People will only be able to view the board unless you invite them to make changes. Click Confirm, and that's it. Your Trello board is now public and ready to share.